How to add Twitch alerts for followers, subs and donation. So for that you need to simply open Chrome. Here you need to search for Twitch. After that click on Twitch. Now click on top right corner that profile pic. Here click on creator dashboard. Now click on alerts. Here click on create alert box. Now here click on new variant. For example, I want to create follows alert. So I will simply click on new variant. After that, when you click on it, on right side you will see general setting, layout and other things. You can simply customize it. Once you customize it, you will simply click on that, like it was now off. When you click on it again, it was on. Once you customize it, that's it, your alerts will be created. Thanks for watching.